Welcome, boys. This is the BGST class, that is Bangladesh and Global Studies class for English version class 9 and 10. I am Ummi Forajaman welcoming you to my class. Today we will learn about the classification of forest of Bangladesh. For this reason, what you will be needed? You will be needed a map. If you don't have any map, you may draw like this on your copy. It will help you to learn this and to memorize it in the exam hall, and you will get enough feedback and good feedback in the exam. And you will be needed different colors pen like this. I have marked it with 3. I have drawn it with black, but I have marked inside the map with red, green and blue colors. So you will be also needed these colors. To start this chapter, that is chapter 5, page number is 106. I am repeating, the page number is 106 and 107. We will read these two pages today. At first come some questions. What is forest? We are learning about forest of Bangladesh. Then what is called forest actually? What is the definition of forest? It may come as your knowledge based question. Define forest. Then what will be your answer? Your answer will be where the trees grow in plenty is called forest. That is the definition of forest. And what are the resources that we get from the forest, like timber, honey, bee, wax, etc. And this line may come in your MCQ question. What do we get from forest? What are the forest resources? The resources are timber, honey, bee, wax, etc. Please underline it. Then come the forest areas of Bangladesh. The forest areas of Bangladesh are divided into 4 distinctive categories. Koita category? 4 categories. What are those? It may come in your realization question. Then you will have to define forest. Then the forest areas of Bangladesh are divided into 4 distinctive categories. You will have to mention it. And what are those distinctive areas? Number 1 is forest zone of Chattogram. And you know this portion is known as Chittagong Hill Tracts and Chittagong Division. That means first zone we have got, that is zone of Chattogram. That means division of Chattogram, not the district. It is called about the divisions, that is Chattogram. Next, forest zone of Sylhet. These green marks. Look, the similarities, the Chittagong zone and Sylhet zone, both are marked with green color. Then, the Sundarbans. Though I have written it with red, but I have marked it with blue color. That means these portions are part of Sundarban. Please, that is the southwestern portion of Bangladesh. Which portions? Southwestern. That means Sundarban is located to the southwestern portion of Bangladesh. I am repeating, southwestern region of Bangladesh. Forest zone of Chattogram is located to the southeast of Bangladesh. Southeast, that is zone of Chattogram. Zone of Sylhet is to the northeast. Which region? Northeast. Please listen it carefully. Northeast, that is Sylhet. And another zone, that is Dhaka, Tangail, Mymensingh. This middle portion is Dhaka, Tangail and Mymensingh. That means we have learned about 4 distinctive categories, that is the forest areas of Bangladesh. 4. What are those 4? Chattogram, Sylhet, Sundarban and Dhaka, Tangail, Mymensingh. This is the first portion of our class. It may come in your knowledge based and realization questions. But from where the creative questions may come? The creative questions may come from these colors. That means the classifications of forest. That is our today's discussion key points. I have written number 1, that is bark with green, green and green. The color similarities look these portions. That means I have said earlierly, that is the northeast and southeast. Which portions? Northeast and southeast. And these two portions are the hilly regions of Bangladesh. And what type of forest is located here? Tropical evergreen and deciduous forest. That means the green marked areas are the part of tropical evergreen and deciduous forest. If we correlate this with chapter 4, that is the hills of tertiary age. What I am saying? Hills of tertiary age. That means the hills of tertiary age and the tropical evergreen and deciduous forest, both of these are located in the same region of Bangladesh. The question I have written, in where? That means in where the tropical evergreen and deciduous forest are located. Remember, hilly regions of northeast and southeast. That means it is located in the northeast and southeast portion of Bangladesh. This Sylhet division is to the northeast portion, and this green portion, that is Chittagong, it is part of southeast portion. That means northeast and southeast. I hope you have understood. Then what type of trees? That means what type of trees grown here? Creeping plants, shrubs and herbs. And these are grown in hot and moist areas. In which type of areas? That is hot and moist areas. These type of creeping, shrubs, herbs are grown in plenty. That means what type of trees? The question is divided into two parts. Answers: creeping plants, shrubs, herbs, etc. And these are grown in hot and moist areas. Two portions, hot and moist areas, is needed for these portions, for this type of trees. Next, I have written another question mark, characteristics. That means what type of characteristics does these tropical evergreen and deciduous forest hold? Look, the leaves of these trees do not sprout and fall down at a time. তার মানে কি হচ্ছে, একসাথে ঝরছেও না, একসাথে নতুন কুড়িও জন্মাচ্ছে না। ওকে, and what result come from this? The forest remains green throughout the year. কি থাকছে? সারা বছরই এই গাছগুলো সবুজ থাকছে। আমরা যদি আমাদের স্কুলের সামনে মহানগর মহিলা কলেজের দিকে তাকাই, তাহলে দেখবে যে এলজির গলিতে অনেক গাছ আছে, যেটা একদম শীত নভেম্বর ডিসেম্বরে এসে পরে জানুয়ারিতে বা ফেব্রুয়ারির আগে সব গাছের পাতা কেমন ঝরে যায়, বাট in the very beginning of ফেব্রুয়ারি or মিডল অফ ফেব্রুয়ারি কি হয়, গাছগুলো আবার সবুজ হয়ে যাচ্ছে। তার মানে এই গাছগুলো একসাথে লিভসগুলো তোমার ফল ডাউন হচ্ছে, আবার একসাথে স্প্রাউট হচ্ছে। বাট for these type of trees, those who belongs to tropical evergreen and deciduous forest, these leaves of these trees do not sprout and fall down at a time, and as a result the forest remains green throughout the year. And for this reason, these type of forests are called evergreen forest. The question may come, what is called evergreen forest? Write down please, what is called evergreen forest. Okay, then we will have to write the leaves of the trees which does not sprout and fall down at a time, and the forest remain green throughout the year. These type of forests are called evergreen forest. I hope you have understood. Next, in which districts these forests, tropical evergreen and deciduous forests, are located? That is Chattogram, Khagrachari, Rangamati and Bandarban. That means 4 hilly districts, that is from these portions, that is the 4: Chittagong, Khagrachari, Bandarban and Rangamati, and another one is left, total 5, that is the Sylhet. That means in 5 districts of Bangladesh these forests are located, and the total area of this forest are 14,000 square kilometer. Please remember, 14,000 square kilometer. And the trees, which trees are grown here, whatever, that is chapalish, segun, moina, gorgon, telshur, mehegonu, jarul. And bamboos and canes are grows in plenty in Sylhet, and rubber forest that is located in Sylhet and Chattogram. That means these informations are part of tropical evergreen and deciduous forest. Next we will learn about these red portions. Okay, then come. Okay boys, next come to the second point, that is written with red color and marked with red color also, that is the tropical deciduous forest. At first you will have to learn in which districts are included in this tropical deciduous forest area. There are 5 districts. How many districts? There are 5 districts. Number 1 is Mymensingh, Tangail, Gazipur, Dinajpur and Rangpur. How many districts we got? That is 5 districts. That is here Mymensingh, Gazipur and Tangail. These red portions are part of this tropical deciduous forest. And in the northwest portion, remember northwest portion, that looks like a V, that is Dinajpur and Rangpur. You know the Borendro Bhumi, you have learned Borendro Museum, that is also located in this region in Rajshahi, Borendro. Actually in ancient time there were so many Janapadas. Borendro was one of them, and this northern portion was part of Borendro. So Dinajpur and Rangpur, I have uttered or pronounced Borendro for a specific region. Okay, then come to the characteristics of this tropical deciduous forest. Leaves of these trees fall once, remember, fall once in a year. How many times? Once in a year. And when? In winter. That means characteristics is the leaves of these trees fall once in a year in winter. And the main tree of this forest are the shal trees. And for being the highest amount of main trees, it is also known as shal forest. That means main tree shal, so it is known as shal forest too. What are the other trees that grows in these red marked portions? That is gojari, koroi, bohera, hijau, shirish, hortoki, jackfruit, neem, etc. You will have to memorize these names. It may come in your MCQ question also, and also in your creative portions you may have to ask to explain about these forest trees. And these red portions are located in 2 regions of Bangladesh, that is at the middle and the top. That is why there are 2 parts of this forest, that is tropical deciduous forest. Number 1 is Madhupur Bhawalgarh and number 2 is Borendro Bhumi. Madhupur Bhawalgarh, Mymensingh, Tangail and Gazipur. That means this portion is known as Madhupur Bhawalgarh or Madhupur Bhawal forest. And this portion, that is Rangpur and Dinajpur, mainly in these type of forest are known as Borendro forest in Dinajpur and Rangpur region. That means 2 parts, Madhupur Bhawal forest and Borendro forest. Madhupur Bhawal 3 districts, Mymensingh, Tangail and Gazipur, and in Borendro forest 2 parts, that is Dinajpur and Rangpur. So you please keep this map in your brain, in your memory, so that very easily you can understand which portion of your text is reflected or which type of forest is mentioned. Next come to the third portion, that is the blue, and I have also written it with blue color. That is the mangrove or Goran forest. You have learned it in class 6 also, that is the mangrove forest. And you know Sundarban is the largest mangrove forest of the world, and for animal habitat and beauty it is declared as the World Heritage Site by the UNESCO. Okay, what is called mangrove forest area? The question may come like this. What is called? If you learn this portion with question answer, it will be very easier to memorize or to remember or to recall. Then what is called the mangrove forest areas, or what is understood? The answer will be the trees that grow at the salty and wet soil washed by the ebb and flow. Ebb and flow that you have learned in chapter 3. Ebb and flow of the sea near the seashore. What is mentioned? Seashore. Seashore of which region? Seashore of Noakhali and Chattogram. Two districts we got, that is Noakhali and Chattogram. And to the southwest, here it is Noakhali and Chattogram, and the southwest, that is Khulna, Bagherhat and Satkhira. These of Bangladesh are called mangrove Goran or Goran forest area. That means how many districts we got? Chittagong, Noakhali, Bagherhat, Khulna and Satkhira. Total 5 districts. Again, here there are 5 districts, that is Noakhali, Chattogram, Satkhira, Khulna and Bagherhat. In where that is also mentioned in this portion, seashore of Noakhali and Chattogram and southwest zone of Bangladesh. That means this portion is known as southwest portion of Bangladesh. This is west and this is south. So this is the corner of southwest zone of Bangladesh. What type of trees or which trees are grown in plenty here? Mainly Sundari, Gewa, Poshur, Dhundal, Keura, Bain, Goran, Golpata, etc. These trees are grown in plenty in these areas. And the total area, that is the part of Bangladesh, that is 4,192 square kilometers. It will be square kilometers of Bangladesh. And total Sundarban area of Sundarban is about 10,000 square kilometer. Only 40% is the part of Bangladesh, and the left 6,000 is part of India, that is in the West Bengal areas. Okay, these were the class of your, that is the forest of Bangladesh. I hope you could understand it, and if you have any query or any confusions, please feel free to ask in the comment box. Okay, thank you boys.